Sometimes we have a data that looks like this, seems pretty okay, but if you look closely, you will find that some of the rows are actually repeated. For example, for the serial number 12 here, this Gaston Brom male, this is repeated here, the entire row. Similarly, this and Rada and Magwood, this is repeated here. Now, I do not want that, because especially in a case where I have a lot of data, let's say up to the 1500 to 2000 points, and I cannot go on and just select this manually and press delete, because that becomes a bit too difficult. So I will just come back to the Control Z, and when I do that, I will get it back. So I want to remove it through some kind of a Google Sheets trick, and for that trick I will just select all these cells and come to the data, and in this data menu bar I will come to data cleanup and remove duplicates. Now it asks me, does my data has a header row? And it has a header row. It says serial number, first name, last name. Just select that, and I've got all these columns, and this for example, in this case, this serial number 12, this actually matches this serial number 6. But what's the issue? Issue is the serial number. The serial number is not matching, so in the entire row cannot be a duplicate of this entire row. For that, we have to remove the serial number column bar from here, and when we do that, what we will get now is that we have 3 duplicates rows and found and removed. With that, now we have a new data.